Hi friends, welcome. Previously we have seen how to develop standalone Python applications. So this runs without any installation of Python, directly runs on the operating system. So in that we have seen earlier how we browse and connect to SQLite database, and previously also we have seen how to connect to MySQL database where the user has to give a JSON file or enter the user ID and password. Now we'll bundle these things. So SQLite and along database along with the application will bundle it. So the user has to just run the application, and this time SQLite database will take the records. It will create the records. You can delete the records also. So we will see how a writable database application we can create it. So before we move, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorials, and we are frequently doing that also. Let's start the script. Visit this URL, it is there in the description. Read all the instructions given here. You can study it also, and the commands to generate the application file also is written. We'll see the demo also. If you want a say a simple database browse facility only without any updating or writable database, then you can use the first part. This code you can copy it, or you want to delete the record and add the record, then go to the second part where all the code is available to create the or the insert the records to the database. So copy this one. So it is copied now, and you can use the paste it and use the as a application file, and in the same path or in the same directory download this database with the sample record. So this is already there, so I'll just overwrite it. This contains our sample records also. Now it is available for our application to develop. We have used the code here. Whatever you have copied, we have pasted it here in this particular file, mysqlite_app2. So this is the file name only. You can give whatever the file name, but note that, let me just show you the path. You note that this is the file, and in the same directory we have placed my_db, the database whatever we have downloaded. Now that this, when you develop the application file, we'll put it here in another location. Here inside this folder is empty, but inside this we'll be putting our application file. Now let's go to the code again. See once the demo. So this is the our entire code. Let's run it. It will take the data from the database MyDB. So now we are running it with the help of Python. It's not a standalone executable code. So here is the any records are displayed. You can just browse it also, all the records. You see the 35 records are there. So let's delete all the records. Yeah, all records are deleted. Now nothing is there. Now I will add the records. All records are added. So this is the application. So when you develop an application along with the database, we'll also check all the functionality. We'll build the application now. So this is, remember the just little, so we can see the full view how the application is developed. Remember this file mysqlite_app2. So that is the source file, our application file. I am pasting a command here. So you can see in this is the C, this is the my executable code where Python is. If you are using environment variable, so you don't require this, you can start from here. So -m means as a module I am running it. You can start from PyInstaller, one file, so it will bundle it, windowed, add data. All this we have previously discussed also. When you are telling add data, means we are just telling that in this application include this my_db.db. Here I am giving the full path also. Then dispatch here it is that my_app. This is the location where the application will be created. Finally it will be stored, single file. Now here I am giving my source file at the end. I am giving here, I have to use 2 here because this is the one command I am giving 2. This is the file name, you can see it here. Now where it will be generated will be my_app. This directory, the final file will be generated. DB file I have integrated. This one file windowed, we have already discussed what it is. Now let me just run this one. So this you can see, this will take some time and it will generate. Now it will bundle it with the my application file and the database, and we have some data also in that. So these two will be bundled and the final application will be created. You can read whatever instructions it gives. It is creating now. Now it is creating, and finally it in the location whatever we have given there, it will be creating it. So we'll just check it. Not okay. So we'll just check it where it is created. dynamic, all the libraries whatever we have used also it will package it in our application. It's a standalone package it will create, so that we can use it without using Python. So even okay, so finally just read it, building successful. So now it has come. Let's just okay, our application is created. Now let's go to my app. This is the path where our application is created. Earlier previously whatever applications we have created are listed here. Now this is the one, my SQLite underscore app2. This is our application file. So I'm just double clicked it. It's a standalone file, so it will run on the directly running on Windows. So all the records are there. I can browse it. Now let me just delete it. So it's a writable, yeah, all records. Then I am adding all the records. Fine. So you have to give the right permission to the folder where this application we are running. That way it can create you can insert the records to the database and delete it also. One second, let me delete it. All records deleted, add all records. I have added all the records now. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and we will continue also learning by using MySQL database, and other applications also will develop. We'll develop calendar applications also where user can select and get the holiday calendar. So or the event of the particular day by clicking. We'll develop all those applications. So my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorials, and we are frequently doing that also. If you have any ideas, suggestions, questions, use the comment section below to post it, and please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.